I got this nectarines from Whole Foods online. I actually ordered a peach, two peaches, and they gave me these nectarines. That happened like 3 times. Anyway, I like nectarines, and this is organic. Simply, I rinse it and peeled and remove the seed at the center and cut them into dices and put them in a blender. I use Evla's blender, a baby food processor. This works pretty good. I first steam for 15 minutes, and as you can see, it's cooked nicely and it smells wonderful, and some juice came out. I keep this juice, and next step is to blend it. I run it for 2 or 3 minutes, and it becomes like liquid. Now the puree is done. It's pretty creamy. It's like a shake or a juice. It's a little bit sour, but it's very sweet. When I have peaches, I do the same. When Whole Foods finally delivered peaches instead of a nectarine when I ordered peaches. Yes,